Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? This is Providencia. I'm gonna do a review of this Greca that I bought. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love the fact that it's glass. I was a little skeptical about that, but I ended up buying it. And yeah, I want to show you how it works. I bought it at Amazon. Here I'm doing some coffee the Dominican way. I'm adding some nutmeg, and then I'm gonna add some cinnamon. If you never had your coffee like that, I would suggest that you do it because it's very delicious. By the way, the coffee that I'm using is from Santo Domingo. So here I am putting it in my stove. I would suggest don't put the fire on so high. Make sure it levels the bottom part of the greca. And here's when the magic starts. I was a little skeptical about the coffee going up and that the glass would break, but it didn't break. This is the Greca that I normally use, the normal silver one that everybody has, and this is my new one from Amazon. Here I am making some coffee for my husband. When you make this coffee, it would be best if you use like a rag just to hold it because it tends to get a little hot. I'm gonna add some creamer, some sugar. Overall, I really love the Greca. The coffee came out great. I bought myself one and then I ended up buying one for my mother-in-law. I wanted to review mine before I bought my mother-in-law one, but it's great. Highly suggested. For you to know where I bought this at, go to my Amazon store. Bye.